Hello, trading is closed on July 11th, 2017. Let's go over my calls. I had a MEJT target of 24.2598 that printed. Was a good support resistance level. I thought we had a good chance to get more than that and perhaps fill the gap here. We filled it partially but not completely. That leaves an unfilled target to fill the gap here. And since we've already challenged it, if we refill it, there shouldn't be any support left. This spike low has to be retested at some time as well. So we're dropping, rallying, and in spite of rallying 3 days straight, we still haven't been able to close over any of these highs. Not good. We looked for a pattern with an early low. That's what we have. One of the things that my late friend William Blount taught me was sometimes points are split. If you take the average of these times and the average of these times, you'll see it's a reasonably good S1L pattern. This was the MEJT software at work once again. It said that rally is false. Tells me we're going to return to 24.2246, most likely tomorrow. The significance of 24.2246 is that that would be another test of the origin of the left stilt. And initially, when you test the origin of the stilt, which is from here, it's going to hold. But if you test it again and too much time has passed, it typically breaks in grand style. Well, this is our friend George Lindsay's pattern. We have 0.25. He says once that prints, we should collapse. We're on the verge of breaking through the 50-day moving average. Is that possible? Because don't forget, I don't use this pattern. It just happens to be a perfect fit in his work. Well, all these lows should fall. We've attempted to break out of the consolidation we've been in since early June, a couple of times on the upside, now 3 times on the downside, and usually the side that gets challenged the most times is the one that breaks. We've tried to challenge these, haven't quite made it. Every time we rally, we stop short of hitting new highs. Now futures are up. And if we break through these highs, everything I'm going to say gets killed. But I'm anticipating a daily pattern tomorrow, which tends to make an early high and a late low and tends to drop throughout the day. And while there are many ways to count this, if you accept the fact that we hit a high on June the 19th, and that's A, and that's B, we now get a nice Fibonacci count for the early stages of wave C. This is impulsive, so we're calling this blue 1, blue 2. We're having a new 1, and we're having an A, a B, and a C. And if you look, A has these nice Fibonacci relationships. AB, that's A with nice fibs. AB for B with nice fibs. And then C is the 78.6% retrace of A, and if that's wave large gold C, you'll see it's just about half A. That's pretty good. So if this high holds, we're in for wave 3 of multiple degree, which should blast through these lows and lead to a pretty big collapse and make Lindsay's target in the 2350s very plausible by my change in trend dates of July 17 and 19. Nothing is carved in stone till that break happens, but this is strong Fibonacci resistance here. And my call for tomorrow is 24.2246 plus, if this holds, and if we start breaking in grand style, I would believe it. And that's today's call.